In this video, I will show you exactly how to share your Adobe Express projects using direct links, so you can collaborate with your team or send your designs to clients for approval. Once you have finished your masterpiece and you are ready to show it to the world, your first step is to locate the Share button, which is positioned in the top right corner of your top toolbar. When you click this button, a panel will slide open, giving you several options to manage your project access. First, you need to set your privacy levels. You can open the Access drop-down menu to decide who can actually use your link. If you want to send the URL through a group chat, an email, or perhaps a project tracker where multiple people might see it, you should select the option that says anyone with a link. However, if you are working on something confidential and want to restrict access to specific people, you should choose Only Invited People, which limits the link to the specific email addresses you provide. After setting the privacy, it is important to choose the right permission level. You can select Can Edit if you want your collaborators to be able to modify layers and layouts in real time. If you only want feedback, choose Can Comment so